Cuisinart CCO-50N Deluxe Electric Can Opener. Simplify can opening with the Cuisinart CCO-50N Deluxe Electric Can Opener. Its precision power cut blade opens cans effortlessly, while the press and release lever ensures smooth operation. The extra wide base prevents tipping, and the magnetic lid holder keeps lids secure. It stops automatically once the can is open. The removable activation lever makes cleanup easy. Sleek and efficient, it's a must-have for any modern kitchen. Hamilton Beach Juicer Machine. Make fresh, healthy juice in seconds with the Hamilton Beach Juicer Machine. Its powerful 800-watt motor maximizes juice yield, while the extra-large 3-inch chute fits whole fruits like apples and bunches of celery. No pre-cutting needed. The stainless steel micromesh strainer ensures smooth results, and the removable parts are dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. Backed by a 3-year warranty, this juicer is durable and reliable. Whether you're juicing hard or soft produce, it's the perfect tool for nutritious homemade juice with minimal effort. Keurig Duo Coffee Maker. The Keurig Duo is an excellent choice for those who love versatility in their coffee routine. With the ability to brew both single cups and full carafes, it's designed for various needs, whether you're making a quick cup or serving guests. The device accommodates K-cup pods and ground coffee, making it adaptable to personal preferences. Its multi-stream technology evenly saturates grounds for a rich, full-bodied flavor, while the brew over ice setting ensures your iced coffee stays refreshing without too much dilution. You can select from multiple sizes, 6, 8, 10, or 12 ounces for single cups, and the same options for carafes. The 72-aughts shared reservoir minimizes the need for constant refilling, and the front-facing control panel simplifies selection. Users will also appreciate the strong brew and extra hot options for a bolder, hotter cup. With fast brewing and straightforward setup, the Keurig Duo is a reliable, convenient coffee solution for busy households or coffee enthusiasts. KitchenAid Food Chopper. The KitchenAid Food Chopper is a compact kitchen tool that offers impressive versatility. Its 3.5-cup work bowl comes with a locking blade, a handle, and a pour spout, making it convenient for serving and cleaning. The bowl and blade are dishwasher safe, ensuring minimal cleanup time. Featuring 2 speeds and a pulse function, this chopper is ideal for creating chunky salsas, smooth sauces, or creamy hummus with ease. The stainless steel blade locks securely in place, and the drizzle basin allows you to add liquids for dressings or sauces while processing. Its small, countertop-friendly design and cord wrap make it easy to store. I recently used it to chop herbs and veggies for a quick pico de gallo, and it delivered perfectly uniform results in seconds. Whether you're meal prepping or whipping up dips for a party, this food chopper is a reliable and space-saving addition to any kitchen. Ninja CREAMi. The Ninja CREAMi elevates dessert making with its 7 one-touch programs, allowing you to craft ice cream, gelato, sorbet, smoothie bowls, and more. Its creamified technology churns ingredients into ultra-smooth, creamy textures, while the respin function lets you adjust consistency to your liking. You have full control over ingredients, enabling low-sugar, keto, vegan, or decadent options. I experimented with a dairy-free chocolate gelato, and the results were creamy and indulgent. The mix-in feature allows for endless customization with nuts, fruits, or candies. Easy to use and clean, the Ninja CREAMi is perfect for families, dessert enthusiasts, or anyone looking to enjoy personalized frozen treats. OXO Good Grips Vegetable Chopper. Chop like a pro with the OXO Good Grips Vegetable Chopper. Its sharp stainless steel blade rotates as you pump the handle, delivering uniform cuts with minimal effort. The comfortable knob reduces strain, while the catcher cup with measurement markings adds convenience. Ideal for veggies, herbs, nuts, and more, it's perfect for salads, salsas, and stir-fries. Compact and easy to clean, this chopper streamlines meal prep without the mess. Reliable, efficient, and designed for everyday use. It's the ultimate tool for quick, consistent chopping. ThermoPro TP18. The ThermoPro TP18 takes precision cooking to the next level. Featuring advanced thermocouple technology, this digital meat thermometer delivers ultra-fast readings in just 2 to 3 seconds, with an impressive accuracy of plus 0.9 degree Celsius. The large backlit display is easy to read even during late-night grilling sessions, and the lock function keeps the reading visible after removing the probe. Compact and practical, its fold-away design includes a magnetic back for convenient storage. The thermometer also supports calibration for lifelong accuracy. With a wide temperature range of 14 degree N to 572 degree N, it's perfect for everything from grilling steaks to baking desserts. Batteries are included, so it's ready to use right out of the box. This durable and user-friendly tool is a must-have for any kitchen. TUUMIIST juicer machines. The TUUMIIST juicer machine makes juicing easier, healthier, and more efficient. Its large 5.3-inch feed chute accommodates whole fruits and vegetables, reducing prep time significantly. Using slow squeeze technology at 43 RPM, it preserves nutrients and freshness, providing a high juice yield packed with vitamins. This BPA-free masticating juicer ensures safe and chemical-free juicing. Assembly and cleanup are effortless, thanks to its simple design and included cleaning brush. With a 300-watt motor, it excels in extracting maximum juice with minimal waste. Ideal for anyone seeking a healthier lifestyle, the TUUMIIST is perfect for gifting on any occasion. Reliable and user-friendly, this juicer is an excellent addition to any kitchen. Sweet Alice Gravity, Electric Pepper, and Salt Grinder Set. The Sweet Alice Gravity Electric Grinder Set combines convenience and innovation with its hands-free operation. Just flip it, and the grinder activates automatically. Adjustable settings let you customize the grind from coarse to fine, and the high-quality ceramic rotor ensures consistent results. The transparent acrylic design allows you to monitor spice levels easily, while the blue LED light adds a functional and stylish touch. Perfect for various seasonings, this battery-powered set is ideal for kitchens, outdoor picnics, and more. Thoughtfully designed with ease and fun in mind, it's a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their cooking experience. Lazy Susan Revolution Food Turntable. The Lazy Susan Revolution elevates your dining experience with its innovative, expandable design. Perfect for family gatherings or parties, it rotates smoothly, allowing guests to access dishes effortlessly. This turntable is heat-resistant and features a non-slip silicone tray, keeping items secure and making cleanup a breeze. Expandable with additional trays, it adapts to any table size, ensuring everyone can enjoy the spread. Setup is a snap, no tools required, and it disassembles quickly for easy storage. The durable design supports heavy dishes, while its thoughtful construction ensures long-term use. Whether for daily meals or festive occasions, this Lazy Susan is a game-changer that blends practicality with style. CouchConsole. CouchConsole Original Tray is the ultimate solution for keeping essentials within reach while you relax. Its standout feature is the self-balancing weighted cup holder, using a gyroscope system to keep drinks steady on uneven surfaces. The modular design allows customization. Use the storage, snack, or cup modules to suit your needs. A built-in USB-C port lets you charge devices effortlessly, making it perfect for tech enthusiasts. The spacious storage area keeps everything organized, from remotes to snacks. Durable and stylish, it fits seamlessly into any setting, whether on the couch, in a car, or even on a picnic. Practical, innovative, and long-lasting, it's a thoughtful gift for anyone who enjoys convenience and organization. Electric Milk Frother. This electric milk frother is a must-have for coffee enthusiasts, offering 4 versatile functions: hot thick foam, hot thin foam, hot milk, and cold thin foam. Its customizable temperature settings, 130, 160 degree, allow you to craft your perfect beverage every time. The frother operates whisper quietly and features a 30-minute auto-warming function with a real-time display for precision control. Its sealed lid minimizes noise, ensuring a peaceful experience. Compact and stylish, it's easy to use and clean, making it a seamless addition to your kitchen. With a 2-year warranty and exceptional customer service, this milk frother elevates your coffee game with minimal effort. Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 Pressure Cooker. The Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 is a powerhouse of convenience for busy kitchens. Its 10 functionalities include pressure cooking, slow cooking, sous vide, sautéing, and more, catering to diverse cooking needs. The customizable settings and 28 pre-programmed options simplify meal prep, while the 5 programmable favorites let you save your go-to recipes. Safety is a priority, with overheat protection and a gentle steam release feature that minimizes noise and splashing. Its 8-quart capacity suits larger families or meal prepping, whether you're crafting a quick dinner or indulging in slow-cooked flavors. This versatile cooker saves time and effort. Durable and user-friendly, The Instant Pot Pro is an essential tool for elevating your home cooking game. KRUPS Electric Coffee Grinder. Transform your coffee routine with the KRUPS Electric Coffee Grinder. Powered by a robust 200-watt motor and stainless steel blades, it delivers consistent grinds for up to 12 cups. This versatile grinder also handles spices, nuts, and grains, expanding your culinary possibilities. The intuitive one-touch operation and clear lid make it easy to achieve the perfect grind size for any brewing method, from espresso to French press. With a generous 3-ounce capacity, it's ideal for entertaining or batch brewing. Safety is a priority, with a lid-activated switch that ensures operation only when securely closed. Compact and reliable, this grinder combines efficiency and convenience, making it a must-have for fresh coffee and beyond. Longzon 4-in-1 Knife Sharpener. The Longzon 4-in-1 Knife Sharpener is a versatile tool designed to handle a range of blades, including kitchen knives, scissors, and pocket knives. Its 4-stage sharpening system ensures precise results, restoring your blades to like-new sharpness in seconds. For added safety, the sharpener includes a non-slip base and a cut-resistant glove, making it a reliable option for everyday use. Compact and sleek, it fits easily in your kitchen without taking up much space, blending seamlessly with your decor. The user-friendly design simplifies the process. Just slide the blade through for instant results. Built with premium materials, it's a practical and stylish addition to your kitchen essentials, making knife maintenance safe, quick, and hassle-free. That's our roundup of the top Amazon kitchen gadgets you'll wish you'd bought sooner. We've covered the absolute game changers. These tools aren't just gadgets. They're your ticket to a smoother, tastier kitchen life. What about you? Which ones are calling your name? Leave a comment. I'd love to hear. All the links are in the description, so head over to Amazon, grab your favorites, like this video, subscribe, and ring the bell for more great kitchen gadgets.